Let's go over our proprietary MA prohibiting indicator, what it is and how does it help us. We'll do a quick example here from a trade on the 23rd of April. So as you can see here on the 1 hour time frame, we have two different moving averages, the 50 moving average in red and the blue, which is the 200 moving average. Now what our indicator does is it says if we get close to a major moving average on a certain time frame, we cannot trade or we can liquidate the trade. So on the 1 hour time frame, we seem like we are free and clear of any moving average. We're not getting any close to it when we can take a long position. But on the 4 hour time frame, as you can see here, the 200 MA is sitting right here. So what happens on this day is the price starts moving upward. It hits the 200 MA and it comes back down. So we do not want to enter a trade anywhere in this zone. We are close to 200. So what we have is a stipulation that says when we are X amount of points from this zone, we cannot take a trade. But what if we took a trade earlier? Well, when we get to that point of the zone before we hit the moving average, we will liquidate the trade. So let's show an example. So let me just stop this for a second, move this out of the way so we can see, and here we go. So the trade starts going, the day starts going, sorry. And as you can see, right now we cannot trade due to MA prohibiting. Why? Well, in the 1 hour time frame, as you can see when we start the day off, we are close to the 200 MA. So the rule applies on both sides of the MA. So on the 1 hour chart, the 200 MA, we are very, very close to it. So we are pretty much only that far away, which is, in our opinion, too close. Where does this number come from? That number is constantly changing. We'll go over that at a different time. It is dynamic, and so it's a discussion for another time. So as you can see, price starts moving, the day is going, and the core value is moving upward. We still cannot trade because of the MA prohibiting. But what you'll see here is the MA prohibiting goes off. So we broke a certain distance there, and now we're able to trade. So now we took some trades here. Took a few trades here. As you can see, we took 7 trades at this point. Let's pause this for a second. So we're in 7 trades here. And what happened was we got past this point of the prohibiting indicator blocking us from taking a trade. So now we're free and clear in a sense, but that's only on the 1 hour time frame. Remember, on the 4 hour time frame, we hit the 200 MA, which is over here. So let's continue to watch what happens. So the trade starts moving. There is no prohibiting indicator, so we're free and clear right now. Price is moving up and there. So at this point, we hit a, let's see, it's fluctuating there. Okay. So at this point where the price is, we got too close to the 4 hour 200. So as you can see there, we exit the trade. Over here, we close the trade in profit. In profit, all those trades closed in profit due to the MA prohibiting. So what happened was we took the trade and we started moving upward, but then we got too close to the 200 MA. We use this as a resistance point in a sense, so support and resistance in a sense. And we know that we don't want to take a trade until we clear this. We don't want to take a long until we clear this 200 MA on the 4 hour. So we use the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. And so what happened was we entered the trade, got close to the 200 in the 4 hour, and then we liquidated the trade in profit. And let's see how the day finished. Well, you guys can see from this chart over here, we start going back down. So we would have ended up losing this trade. Instead, we won because we exited the trade at the right time. As you can see, the price starts moving down, and we're fine. We're free and clear from this day because we exited the trade. If we did not exit the trade here, if we would have waited for the take profit levels, which were all the way up here, we would have been at a loss. So what happened was, let's just skip to this, finish this day off. we ended up with a profit, let's see in a second, of $1,037.61 on an initial deposit of $10,000 because of our MA prohibiting indicator.